Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password quickly, safely, and step by step. Whether you want to boost your account security or just switch things up, updating your Gmail password is one of the simplest ways to protect your data. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. It could be your picture or just the first letter of your name. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings where you can adjust everything from privacy to security. On the left side, click Security. This section is where you control who can access your account and how it's protected. Next, scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you'll see the password option. Click it and Google will ask you to verify your identity, either by entering your current password, answering a security question, or using two-factor authentication. This step ensures only you can make changes. Now, it's time to set your new password. Make sure it's strong, at least 8 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it in, then confirm it by typing it again to avoid any mistakes. Once you're done, click Change Password. And just like that, your Gmail password is updated. Remember, always keep your password safe. Using a password manager can make this easier and more secure. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video.